hygienic storage conditions, damp and disorganized. This was a scene, viewers, the Food and Drug Administration was welcome to when they visited Zepto's warehouse in Dharavi, Maharashtra. Now, witnessing this serious irregularities, you can see those pictures on your screen as well, and it shows non-compliance with the Food Safety and Standards Act. The FDA suspended the food business license of Zepto Private Limited, which is an online grocery delivery platform. All right. Okay, let's go straight across to my colleague who's joining us. Gopi is joining us live. She is outside a Zepto warehouse and in Delhi, outside in Mayur Vihar specifically. Yes, Gopi, you know, the food license has now been suspended for now. Now, those pictures we showed our viewers shows fungus found, stagnant water, expired food mixed with fresh stock. Huge violation of cold storage norms. Now, what are you learning of? You're outside the warehouse. What is the condition of the warehouse? Is it still operating?
Well, in fact, just a short while back, Shivangi, we did happen to go to the warehouse, which is based in Mayur Vihar Phase 1. Well, we are joined by a few riders. We have in fact asked them as well that have they received any complaints from the customer, any grievances from the customer, whether they have ever received expiry date products or products which are not fresh. We will speak to them. What they have said, in fact, is that if at all such complaint or query comes from the customer, it is their license which gets cancelled, and Zepto is nowhere accountable. We will speak to them and let's ask them. आपको कभी ऐसी शिकायत आई है, कोई कस्टमर ने बोला है कि कोई एक्सपायरी डेट प्रोडक्ट्स आई है, उसके बाद क्या एक्शन लिया है ज़ेप्टो ने?
मैम, एक्चुअली एक्सपायरी डेट हो जाती है, जैसे कि दूध हो गया, पनीर वगैरह ये सब होते हैं, इन पर भी एक्सपायरी डेट आ जाती है। बट जैसे कस्टमर अगर कंप्लेंट करता है तो फिर हम लोगों को वापस यहाँ लेके आना पड़ता है या फिर आरटीओ मार्क करना पड़ता है।
आप क्या बताएंगे? आपको कुछ दिन पहले आप लोगों ने स्ट्राइक किया था, आपने अभी हमें बताया था, आप क्या बताना चाहेंगे? जब कोई एक्सपायरी डेट वाली प्रोडक्ट होती है तो उसके लिए अकाउंटेबल कौन होता है, ज़ेप्टो वाले कि आप लोगों का आईडी बंद किया जाता है? आपने ये चीज़ बोला, आप ज़रा हमें समझाएंगे?
हाँ मैडम, हमसे पूछा नहीं जाता, हमारी आईडी बंद कर देते हैं सीधा।
और कुछ दिन पहले जब आपने स्ट्राइक किया था,
2-3 राइडर थे हमारे, उनकी आईडी बंद कर दी थी मैडम। मैंने
तुम्हारी आईडी बंद कर दूंगी, मेरे से कह रही थी।
अच्छा। हाँ। और आपने ये भी बोला था कि यहाँ पे पुलिस आई थी 2 दिन पहले। हाँ। ये जरा आप बताएंगे?
हाँ, ये पुलिस वालों को फ़ोन कर देते हैं, पुलिस वाले हम पे फ़ोन करते हैं कि तुम वो काम हमें रखना नहीं चाहते। मैडम 3 साल हो गए जब से खुला, जब से काम कर रहे हैं इसमें, तो कैसे चले जाएंगे यहाँ से? हमारी आईडी बंद कर दी। मैं बोल रहा था, मैडम सबसे आगे मैं खड़ा था, मेरे को पुलिस वाले उठा के लेके गए थे, फिर कुछ बोला नहीं वहाँ पे, फिर मेरी आईडी टर्मिनेट कर दी। बस मेरे साथ साथ 10-12 जने हो रहे, उनकी भी आईडी टर्मिनेट कर दी।
So in fact, Shivangi, just 2 days back, they were on strike because police was coming randomly. Police was picking these riders just because grievances were received from customers and they were bringing back those products. हाँ, बताएं।
रीज़न भी नहीं बताते हैं किस चक्कर में लेके गए।
अच्छा। हाँ। तो आप जब पुलिस स्टेशन गए थे तो वहाँ पे आपको क्या बोला?
मेरे से कुछ नहीं बोला, कह रहे आप गलत कर रहे हो। वो कह रहे हैं मेरे से पुलिस वाले कि आप गलत कर रहे हो। मैडम मैं गलत क्या कर रहा हूँ? मैंने किसी को मारा, किसी को कुछ भी नहीं बोला।
Right, so no reasons, Shivangi. While Zepto is unaccountable towards their products which have passed the expiry date, these are the voices which we are getting for you from the warehouse of Zepto, which is based in Mayur Vihar Phase 1. Back to you.
Right. You know, as we are staying on the story right now, Gopi, because even you have spoken to the riders, if you could just give our viewers a little bit more clarification about the other warehouses and the operations of Zepto in other cities. We know that the fungus and the terrible conditions were found in Dharavi, Maharashtra. Now, are other warehouses also being inspected across the nation?
Well, in fact, Shivangi, see, we need to understand one thing, that there are certain standards which these warehouses need to meet, be it with respect to hygiene or be it with respect to having a license to in fact open this warehouse. While we went and checked this particular warehouse upstairs, which visuals we will be showing you shortly, we saw that there was an open washroom was there, and products were lying just around the washroom, while even the hygiene standards were not maintained. Now this happens to be a point of concern, because here are the products which consumers consume. These are the products which people use. They eat these products, and they are in fact the consumers. Now if they are not the ones who are maintaining the hygiene standards, and in fact after grievances are received, if they are punishing the riders without any reasons and not being accountable for not maintaining these standards, we have to understand that who needs to be questioned. Should the concerned department be visiting these warehouses? They must keep a tab, they must keep a check towards these standards which should be maintained. While this is not the only warehouse, Shivangi, let's tell our viewers, there are various other warehouses which have also the same, which are also following in fact the same hygiene standard, as well as other things which are questionable at
Yes.
this particular warehouse. We will be bringing you more such warehouses during the day. Yes,
That
back
is
to
right. Thank you,
Shivangi.
Gopi, for getting those details from the Zepto warehouse in Mayur Vihar.